Well, I'm not the magician for nothing, or am I? The next thing you know, I'll be asked to do a trick. Eeny, meeny, chili beanie, the spirits are about to speak. Okay, that's from Rocky and Bullwinkle, but I was on a roll. Greetings, I'm Dr. Will, and welcome to Dr. Will's Software Project Leadership Channel, where we focus on building real software to solve real problems. A while back, I noticed that my team was stuck not making much progress on some issues that had been plaguing us for a while. I asked for a synopsis of what was going on and discovered that they were trying to resolve 3 issues all at once. They were combining installing a new CI/CD system with deploying to a new hosting platform and adding brand new process on top of that to fix pipeline automation, excess platform cost, and process deficiency issues all at once. Hey, if you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you. If you'd like more content like this, then subscribe and hit the bell below to be notified of new content. Also, if you're interested in having me wave my wand in your direction, then you'll probably want to schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me, available at spl.drwill.co/free consult. So if you could wave a magic wand and resolve your most vexing problem in your project, what problem would it solve? Is it technology related, personnel related, staffing related? Is it quality related? I really am curious. If you could put your answer in the comments below, I'll wave my magic wand and see what we can do to make them disappear in a future episode. Okay, the cheese factor is a little high with this one, but it can be as instructive or illuminating. It gets you to think high level strategically and focus on the one key issue that's going to give you the most bang for your problem-solving buck. Now note, unlike Aladdin's lamp where you get 3 wishes, here you only get 1 wave of the wand. Why just 1? I noticed that there's often a temptation to solve more than one problem at a time. This is especially true of highly intelligent individuals, like you. They see the complexity and interrelatedness of things and can discern where a single shot could resolve multiple problems. Unfortunately, getting everything to align for that single shot becomes the new problem. That new problem sucks the creative energy out of the organization as they work feverishly to bring about that perfect alignment. More often than not, the original group of problems are lost sight of. Maybe not forgotten, but they're backburnered as time, effort, and energy are devoted to crafting the perfect circumstances. So give it a shot. This won't solve all of your problems. It's designed to only solve one. But once one problem is solved, you have a bit more time and energy to fix another problem, and then another. So it is like a Dave Ramsey magic wand that creates a snowball of problem resolutions. So instead of trying to solve implementing the new CI/CD system and replatforming and establishing the new process all at once, I had the team just focus on the new CI/CD system. Once that was successfully solved, we moved on to the replatforming. Next on the hit parade is the new process. If we'd continued trying to solve all 3 at once, well, we would still be trying to get all the stars and planets to align. This channel is dedicated to helping software projects succeed, not just in the short term, but in the long. So if you'd like more content like this, then subscribe and hit the bell below to be notified of new content when it becomes available. Also, if you have any questions, put them in a comment and I will entertain them later. And remember, if you're interested in finding and resolving a key issue, you'll probably want to schedule that free 15-minute consult available at spl.drwill.co/free consult. See the show notes for that link. Hey, and that's it for me for you for now. You have a great day and a great week. Be careful out there. I'll be seeing you. Bye.